Hello, myself Sonal Ramkusha here. Basically, we are talking about the topic. So, one person told that how many basically people basically fallen down, they basically got heart attack and then basically they died. They started collecting the data basically, and then basically they told that yes, basically, yeah, Sunil basically is telling correct. Then they basically told that basically why basically you got fired, yeah, matlab fired means why basically you are not getting the job basically. They basically started telling that basically because you have a good knowledge in software company, sorry, related to softwares basically. And the company like Naukri.com, Monster, LinkedIn basically, Times of Group basically, they basically all are Indian software group basically. So one person told that instead of basically being with India basically, go with Pakistan basically. If India basically don't understand you basically, then why don't you basically one of the space center group basically told, why don't you basically go with Pakistani group basically? Because if you are not getting any response from Indian group basically, then why don't you jump to Pakistan basically? Then basically the army group basically connected and told that who taken the name Pakistan. So that is basically different topic basically, and that is connecting to this only, this everything only basically, which actually I am telling this. So here one person told that text box equal to thousand cities. Thousand cities basically are giving power supply to the text box. 500 city basically given the power supply. 500 city not given. Something basically happened. Nuclear blast, power supply company blast. Something basically blast happened. Then what will happen basically for this Earth planet? Because entire world basically you are not getting the earthquakes now basically. That is connected with this only basically. This chain basically which I am talking about. In India, in Vadodara city, one of the person told that in Vadodara city, MGVCL basically is giving the power supply. That is a GEB, and they are getting the power supply from Karnataka basically. So assume that basically they have not given the 500 city power supply data to Vadodara city. Then basically what will happen? But they will basically never able to do that. Why? Because they don't know which basically I am talking about basically. In India, basically nobody know this, which I am telling basically. So in next video, basically.